my YouTube channel Nomadic Sote. Today we are taking you on a quick stop along one of the New Zealand's most scenic drives, Haast Pass. So now we are gonna check out the Haast Pass Lookout. Haast Pass is the mountain pass that connects Wanaka and the West Coast. The drive itself is incredible and so many stops. I am now at the Haast Pass Lookout and it was only about 750 meters walk each way, which is giving you 1.5 kilometers, but it is a very hard walk. I would say it's not very hard for my fitness level. It's a very hard walk. The next was Fantail Falls. We had to skip this because there was no parking. So now we are going to check out the Thunder Creek Falls. Is the very impressive Thunder Creek Falls. It's only a 2-minute walk on an easy track until you get into the river. You have to be very mindful if you want to cross the river and walking on the rocks. It is a 28-meter waterfall crashing straight down into the Haast River. Even if you're in the rush, it's worth the stop. Next up, the Roaring Billy Falls. This one has a short forest walk which is absolutely gorgeous, and mossy trees, birds and the river. To the river, it is about 10 to 15 minutes each way, and then you'll have to walk a bit further. The water is not there, and the waterfall is a bit further away, but it's a huge, and you'll hear why it's called Roaring Billy. We had our lunch at the Haast. I couldn't record it, and we are on our way to the final stop, that is Fantail Falls. This is a quick 5 minutes walk from the car park, but make sure you have the insect repellents, otherwise you'll be dominated by the insects. So this is the end of our day trip from Havia to Haast, and if you are ever driving Haast Pass, take the time to stop at these lookouts and waterfalls. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. See you in the next one.